morning, everybody. Oh, I'm sore from yesterday. There's 2 loads down there from yesterday. There's scrap. And this was our load from the last load from yesterday. We left it on the truck. So, yeah, we're just taking this in and dumping it. We're not going to bother playing games with it. We're gonna have the cords off. We can't send these in. We gotta have everybody take the pressures out of them for us. So we're just gonna throw them back on the truck. On our way back out through Rossay, we're just going to do more pickups today. I don't think we will do we want to do like 5 pickups a day, or runs a day, but it's unrealistic for many reasons. The first reason being fuel. It cost me fuel up on the way home there the other day, $100 worth of fuel in town is when I fueled up. I came home. We went and did 3 trips to Rossay yesterday. 3rd trip's on the truck, doing the pickups, and it's going in town. By the time we get to town and unload, we'll be out of fuel again. So it costs $100 to come out of town, do 3 loads, and go to town. So that's about $33 a load. $33 a load is probably $80 on each load. So that's not too bad. But the thing is to get the money up to keep going. Like, I don't put money in my own pocket into this business because this business is the money in my pocket. If you understand what I'm saying. So if it's not making money, I can't put money into it. So we're going to change things up. We're going to take this load in town right now. We're going to load up on the way home, come through Quispam, load up, bring it home, dump it. If we have enough gas, we're going to go back across Quispam, bring it home, dump it. Then tomorrow morning, we're going to go to Quispam, if there's enough fuel, to go over to cover that trip. We're going to go to Quispam, load up, and take that load right to town. And instead of leaving the last load of the night on, we're going to take the first load in the morning to town for gas money. We'll see how that works. We're going to just try things out. So, what am I doing right now? Oops. Look at the back seat. These all have to be... I'm going to get the junk out of here first. That there. Take the boots out. Found some good boots there too, so we're going to check them out. Me, the wife, and the young guy. The young fella grabbed, look at all how the cords in here. These cables go for $1.40 something a pound. So this is our gas money, what we're planning on it. So we're gonna see how much we get for cordage and go from there. All right, guys, we will see you at the scrapyard for the unload if they'll let us. If not, we'll show you the cash out. So this will be like a weighed and paid video from the last load of yesterday. And you pretty much double that because there's 2 more loads down there. That'll give us an estimate of how much money we're making, our guesstimate. But that's things that's not processed. Processed loads will be worth more money. It makes sense. All right, guys, we'll see you in a bit. Alrighty, guys, we're at the yard. Time to get unloaded. These down here, we might need them. Started on the truck there, bud. All right. Now, do it.
I'm here.
That sucks. Whew. Oh, that thing stays on.
This one?
Yeah, it's got a compressor in it. So I got to clean it out first before I leave it here. Whew.
Where'd you pick this all up at?
Quiz Pam, this is my third load. I got 2 loads at the house. Oh.
Oh, is it the
Spring cleanup, yep.
Yeah.
Oh, I couldn't. Good thing is this is on wheels when we get it buried. I'm buried.
Right?
It's on wheels. Oh, just gotta get up over the hook here first. That's her. Oh, here we go. Taking the whole load with you.
Hey?
You taking the whole load with you?
Yeah. You want to grab your... I tried to take the
Oh my God.
Dad cooking Tracy's life very well. Do that.
Hold on for a second here. There we go. Just have to put this whole thing right out, I guess. Watch it. There we go.
I didn't work no more.
Nope.
Okay, I don't need a third one. No, grab it because that.
Oh yeah.
Toss this.
Yeah. Ouch. I heard that. Oh,
Don't do that. What?
my back sheet out. Hey, right.
Like you guys just got the truck.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna take my microwave too. These things are fun to tear apart. Looks like a personal problem. Looks like a personal problem.
Blew up. Why went over there? What?
That racking like that you threw is all stainless steel. I mean, all aluminum.
No, that one there was steel.
You checked it?
Yeah, you can tell by the weight.
Maybe right behind you.
No, here you said it was stainless. I thought you were talking about that there other one that I threw, the most
Nope.
recent one that blew up.
Throw it, that's metal. Just chuck that. Chuck it.
Alright. I broke something.
How you check those? Chuck them.
Wait, Scrapyard.
Just chuck them, buddy. Come on. We gotta get out of here today. Go.
Plus. Why is there a pool on this?
No, just throw it. Ask no questions. Come on, buddy. You can't take 10 minutes to throw a 3-ounce item off. Chunker, please.
Open.
Oh my goodness.
There's something stabbing in my hand.
Let me check that. Hey, let me check the end of that. The end of that. Where your hand's at? Let's chuck it.
Rip. Here.
I'll leave them on. We'll take them and put them in the buggy. Send me the other one there. Leave them right on. Yeah, fix them at the house. That's aluminum. That's aluminum. That's either aluminum or stainless. All right, that's good. Let's go. All right, let's go weighed and paid. Pick stuff up back. We'll see you in a bit. Rescrapping.
Hell yeah. Don't mind if I do. I got me a pair of overalls.
That's cool. A pair of garbage overalls. Then you give me a hand with wood stove when you get back here. Whatever the heck this is. What in the heck is this thing?
What is that?
I got no idea. Oh, printer of some kind?
Hold on. Ain't no way. That used to be a wax. That is ancient.
Right. Shoot.
Okay. That almost.
Okay, come on, pick up those legs. Now pick up those legs.
That is what I usually created a phonograph.
Okay.
Yeah, that old.
Metal-y. Metal. Not metal. And metal. I think that's it, bud. Have a quick look around. These are probably aluminum.
Yeah.
All right. Onward.
That's where something's breaking.
We almost got a truckload. I didn't remember to turn you on. No, it's been quite a lot of traffic, a lot of people around. Couldn't film with them walking around us.
That's gonna stay.
Yeah, what's the other side of the road?
Now we just drive it up.
Cordage. Okay, hurry up. Hurry up, come on.
Take a seat.
I ain't gonna be sitting there.
There you are. I don't even need me. Just rip it right out of the back of the TV.
All right, let's go to the corner of the truck, bring the truck up.
All right.
Oh no, I'm letting him drive the truck. This could be scary. Hey, you run me over, you get 10 points. I mean, you lose 10 points.
All right. Turn signal out.
Yeah, I just noticed that. Burn out a bulb. How brave am I?
Going?
Keep going a little bit more. A little bit more. Keep going. Good. Oh my goodness.
I drive more gentle. Come up there.
Cordage. All right. We'll bring it back and we are doing something else. Probably doing a pickup, you think, of garbage and trash and all that stuff. Why am I going for the passenger seat? Yeah, I'm not letting him drive. That's all the scrap we got. Just kidding. This is cast aluminum. Look at that. This was the load we brought home today. Just the one load today coming home. There's a whole bunch of air conditioners in here. Probably 4. and a couple of microwaves, a bunch of nice odds and ends. As I say, neighbors across the road, he got stuck on a 3 a.m. till a 3 p.m. shift. So he's sleeping over there. We're not going to unload this tonight. It's late in the evening. We're simply going to unload in the morning. I get up early and unload it, process the ACs to get the rads out of them. This is the pile so far. And we put that on it. That's going to make it quite big. Alrighty. So we got some copper laying over here. And we pull out of the pile. We didn't throw into it actually. And there's going to be some copper and some copper aluminum rads in the stuff we tear apart tomorrow morning. The rads is probably going to be about 50 bucks for the rads alone. Plus the copper, another 30 bucks. Probably about 80 or 90 bucks, just what we do first thing in the morning. The reason we're doing that is we're going to process that stuff, get ready to go before lunchtime. And at lunchtime, we're going to head across the river and get another truckload of that and take it straight in with us. And yeah, I got a campfire going. Look at that. Oh, cool spring evening. Got the fire just ripping down here. Nice. So, this is the reason we're doing that. We had that, you seen the load in the truck there. It was quite the load. And we only had 1,120 pounds of shred, which is over half a ton, at $90 a ton, $50.40. That didn't cover gas. And insulated wire, we had 23 pounds, 4-pound bucket, with 19 pounds of insulated 50% wire. Copper wire for $1.48 a pound for $28.12. So we had $78.50. That was what, 50 bucks in the gas tank, which would have given enough gas. We could have unloaded that, went across the Rossay, brought another load over, unloaded it, and then do this in the morning and bring over the stuff there. But we were just too sore. We did 3 loads yesterday, and we loaded and unloaded 2 and loaded 1. And that was rough ice, and girls, I'll tell you, that was rough when you're not used to it. We moved a lot of metal. So this 1,000 pounds here, that was 1 load. There's 2 more loads there, so that's another ton of metal over there in the field right now. And that on the truck should be about 1,000 pounds. So there's about 1.5 tons of steel over there right now, guys. Shred, about 1.5 tons. Yeah, it's adding up. But a lot of stuff has to be processed, so we'll get more money of it than that. Yeah, so that's where we stand, guys. We're not going to kill ourselves. It's only early in the game. And I noticed something strange with Quispam Rossi this year. Last year, they had all their spring cleanup for solid waste, like what we're having now, was done in 1 week for the whole area. Well, I'm noticing now, for some reason, 1 week is compost supposed to be, like cardboard and stuff, and yard waste, and the other one is bulk trash. When we came out today, only place I had like 1 or 2 items sit out for bulk trash, their garbage was taken. The big piles of stuff was not touched. So what that tells me is they did not do the bulk pickup today for those areas. So I'm thinking everybody got it mixed up over there, and this is the bulk yard waste. And next week is bulk trash. But the good thing is there's a lot of bulk trash out there now, and I think it's a week early. So we're going to have 2 weeks, hopefully, of doing this instead of 1. So we're going to see what happens, but that would be awful nice, wouldn't it, guys? All right, with that, I'll let you all go, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Thanks for being here, guys. Much appreciated. If you'd like to see anything else on the channel, like what you want to tear down, there's lots of stuff for me to tear down here. If there's something you'd like me to keep an eye out for to tear down so you can see how it's done, let me know, and we'll get on her. Thanks, guys. Take care, and God bless.